Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Orbic Journey V for Straight Talk. So this is a new flip phone for Straight Talk. It's available now for $39.99. It's available in black. The model number is RC2200DL. So yeah, this is a new flip phone for Straight Talk. This one is also available on Verizon as well, but this one has bad reviews on Verizon, so take that into consideration when purchasing this phone. So that's what the phone looks like there, opened. You do got your home screen there. You do got the Straight Talk clock up there, whatever So you got your numeric keypad down there. You got your shortcuts, your call button, your power and your in key there, that's probably your speakerphone. That's the camera, and that I don't know what button that is there. Alright, so on the right side of the phone here, your charging port looks like micro USB, and your power button is probably on your volume keys is on the left side, or it's either on the right side or left side. Your volume keys and your power button is your in key, and your your volume keys is on the left side right here, guys. So your charging port's on the right side, volume keys on the left side, along with your headphone jack. Hopefully this is 3.5 right here. So yeah, so let's go check out the Orbic Journey V. Stay powered up with the Orbic Journey V. If you're looking for a basic, simple phone experience, turn to the Orbic Journey V. V stands for 5 here in Roman numerals. It's full spaced. Keys and 2 large screens make it easy to view notifications and access your must-have features. Stay powered up with a long-lasting 1400 milliamp battery. Alright, so that's the phone there, front, left side, and back. You do have a big ass external display, which is very nice. The Orbic logo on the front. Left side, like I said, volume keys and your headphone jack. Hopefully it's a 3.5 headphone jack. On the back of the Orbic Journey V is your camera. You do have your Verizon logo here, but you'll probably have a track phone logo here on the back. Maybe Verizon, not really sure. You may get one with Verizon on it. Don't freak out. So if you get a Straight Talk Orbic Journey V with the Verizon logo on it, don't freak out. It's all good, alright. And you got your speaker there on the back. Alright. They do got some specs here on the Orbic Journey V. Dimensions. I'm assuming this is what the phone opened. 4.13 inches height, 2.17 inches width, and 0.1 inches depth. I guess that's what it been. I guess that's with the phone being opened, I guess. And then the display, you have 2 of them. You have a 2.88 inch TFT LCD, the internal display, and a 1.44 inch external resistive glass display on the front. Front camera, 2 megapixel. So you basically have a 2 megapixel camera, and that is it. 7 hours of battery, Bluetooth 4.1, low energy, 1400 mAh battery. The battery is removable, so it's very good. Processor is a Qualcomm 1.1 GHz quad-core processor. I'm not sure what processor it is. I know it's a Qualcomm processor. I know it's a Snapdragon processor, but I'm not sure which one. You have your hearing aids there. 7 hours of talk time, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of ROM there, so your basic stuff for a flip phone. What comes in the box is your Orbic Journey V charger, USB charger, quick start guide, safety and warranty guide. I think there's a micro USB charging port here. So yeah, more features on the Orbic Journey V. Connectivity options, you do get 4G LTE, GSM, CDMA, Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz BGN, voice over LTE, Bluetooth 4.1, and USB B. B means micro USB, alright? So you get a micro USB charging port here, 1400 mAh battery, it's removable, 5-watt charger, up to 15 hours of battery life according to this. Audio single mic, stereo 3.5, headphone jack, which is nice. So it is indeed a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Performance CPU, you have a Adreno 505, 450 megahertz. Operating system, it has a custom version of Android. It's based on Android 8.1 Go Edition, so do keep that in mind. A bit outdated on that. I'm not even sure if Android Go is still a thing. You have 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of ROM there. Dimensions right there, and it's available in black. So yeah. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a backup phone or whatever, and stuff like that, the Orbic Journey V is now here at Story Talk for $39.99. Like I said, that's been available at Verizon as well. But this phone has bad reviews on Verizon, so do keep that in mind if you're considering this phone. If you guys are just looking for a basic phone with some smartphone features in here, the Orbic Journey V could be worth checking out here. It does look nice for a flip phone. It doesn't look terrible for a flip phone, but like I said, the Verizon version has bad reviews on it. And don't be surprised if you guys get this phone and it has a Verizon logo on it. So I guess these are just rebranded Verizon ones. So pretty interesting there. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will smell a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.